guys, I am back.
Why I disappear for 2 years and what to expect now. Hey guys, I'm back. Wow, it's been a while, 2 years to be exact. I know a lot of you, and most especially sa mga nakasubscribe ka rin po sa akin, have been wondering where I have been and why I stopped creating content. Well, today I'm finally ready to open up and about it and share the changes in my life and tell you what you can expect from me now moving forward. To be honest, yung mga dating content ko before, I wasn't providing enough value, pakiramdam ko sa mga content. I was sharing bits and pieces of my life, but I knew I could do so much more, especially with all the experiences na I've gained from living in Dubai for 16 years. So, nangailangan lang ako ng time to reflect, reset, and ma-figure it out ko kung paano ako makakatulong through my content. So, for that 2 years na nawala ako, may mga biggest struggles, tulad ng nawalan ako ng trabaho, and nag-starting over ulit ako. And syempre, I got married now. So, pero bago ako naikasal, I went through one of my hardest times in my life. So, I lost my job. And nung nawalan ako ng trabaho, ang dami ko talagang realization kasi I really don't know kung paano mag-save that time. So, masyado ko lang ini-enjoy yung buhay ko. Alam mo yon, yung talagang dun ko nasubok yung mga tunay na, kung sino ba talaga yung mga tunay na kaibigan na talagang nandyan sa'yo kapag sobrang down na down ka na. So, yung mga pangyayari na yon na nung nawalan ako ng work, that experience talaga was a huge wake up call. Kasi dun ko talaga nalaman yung mga tunay na kaibigan. And luckily, I survived naman. Hindi ako give up kasi nga naman 'di ba? Nandito na ako, so kailangang lumaban. I work my way back up. Natutunan lahat ng lessons about financial stability and resilience. And now, I want to share those reasons with all of you. So that you don't have to go through the same struggle unprepared. And yung pinakamalaking changes sa personal life ko after overcoming through that phase in my life, I was blessed with a new beginning. I got a new job which is way better compared sa mga previous jobs ko. Then I got married. And now my husband and we are now on building our small family. But with that came another challenge, yung fertility struggles. For the past 2 years, I've been undergoing treatments and I'm still in that process. Hindi siya madali, but I know I'm not alone. Kasi sa dami ng mga nababasa ko, nowadays, ang dami talagang nag-struggle when it comes to fertility. So many women and couples are facing the same struggles, and that's why I've decided to open up about this as well. Yung ma-share ko yung journey, maybe can help even one woman feel less alone, then it's worth it. And now, yung most recent na pangyayari sa buhay ko personally is we're planning to move to Canada as a husband and wife. So it's another big change in my life. We are in the process of applying for my Canadian permanent residency, of course, under spouse sponsorship. It's a long and complicated process, but know that many Filipino dream of moving to Canada. That's why I also want to share our journey step by step. Lalo na ako, nung nag-submit ako ng mga documentation, so that it can help those who are planning to apply in the future. So lahat ng yon isi-share ko sa mga upcoming vlogs ko. Ano pa ba? Apart from my personal life, syempre, maraming nagbago. Ang daming changes ngayon sa Dubai. It's 2025. Yung last na vlog ko was 2023, I believe. And the job market is different now. The cost of living has gone up, and I've learned so many new things, lessons from my experience, both the struggles and the wins. And that's exactly what I want to share with you, with all of you guys. So what to expect now? Ito yung exciting part. Moving forward, my content will be more informative. Personal siya. Ngayon, mag-open na talaga ako as in about life. Kasi dati, ang mga pinapakita ko lang it's yung mga kung saan ako pumupunta, yung mga magagandang place. So, kumbaga limited lang dati. This time, all out. And lahat ng talagang nangyayari. No sugar coating, no filter. Lahat yon isi-share ko. Siguro, ngayon, ang dami kasing nag-a-ask sa akin kung paano ko ba sila matutulungan mag-move sa Dubai while I'm still here. So, isa yung i-discuss natin is about job huntings for Filipinos, yung cost of living breakdown from rent to daily expenses and everything, legal and visa advice para lang ma-avoid nyo yung common na nagiging pitfalls ng halos karamihan sa mga Pilipino. Now, my current job is more involved when it comes to visa, sa mga pag-hire ng mga empleyado. So, somehow, updated ako sa mga proseso ngayon about the success stories ng mga Filipino na nakakasalamuha ko. and yung personal experience ko, yung highs and lows of expat life in Dubai. Again, yung fertility journey because I know many women need support and encouragement, which is true. Kapag nakaka-attend ako sa mga seminars, ang dami. Ang dami talaga. And I just want to share that para lang somehow magkaroon ng support virtually. And next one is lessons from losing my job. How to survive and rebuild when you hit rock bottom. Yun talagang plakda kasi marami din talaga. Pero syempre, Pilipino tayo eh. So, kayang-kaya natin yan. And yung start ko ng journey to Canadian PR, the process, the challenge, and what you need to know you're planning to apply. So, yun yung mga may expect nyo sa akin moving forward. And if you ever dream of working abroad, if you want to know the real deal about life in Dubai, or if you're someone going through struggles, whether it's job, loss, financial, hardships, or fertility challenges, I'm here to share that real experience and real solutions to help you navigate abroad. So kung kayo yung excited for this chapter, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover first. Or meron naman, actually, ang naiisip kong in-next vlog ko, it's about the visa now. The new rules and regulation ng mga visa process. So, that's all for now. Marami pa tayong pag-uusapan. Sobrang dami pa. And sana mag-stick kayo. I will see you in my next vlog. And this time, I'm here to stay. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.